Back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I'll be showing you an experiment that I've been doing using laser projector, water aquarium, and as well as 3D holographic images transmitted through my, as you can see, smartphone. So the smartphone is transmitting that image to the laser projector, laser through mirrorcast, and the laser projector is projecting images into my aquarium tank, as you can see here. The aquarium tank contains 4/5 of the water with a few drops of milk. Now, why would I add milk? Well, the milk causes what we call colloidal dispersion effect. And what that is, the milk protein particle, or the fat particle, is I think it's mainly protein particle, is dissolved in water, and because it's very tiny, but not tiny enough that the light actually bounces it off of it, and it gives that opacity, and the image can be seen within the water itself. So you can see there, look at that. Okay, so because the protein molecule is tiny but not tiny enough, it's almost like a dust in the air when when the sunshine comes in, you can still see it, and when the laser light hits it, it actually bounces off those protein particles in the water medium. Okay, let me just show you. I don't want to talk too much, but you can see it's amazing, cool effect. Let me bring down my aperture in my camera to show you its true effect. Give me a second here. There we go. There it is. Okay, there we go. Enjoy.